Filming?
Yes.
Try some light.
Alright, Chili. How do you like it?
I actually liked it.
Do you like it? Oh, she's still eating it. Do you like that lemon?
It's lime.
I mean, the lime. I'm gonna have to edit that in again. The corrections.
I don't think she minds it.
Wow.
She's coming back for more.
Yeah.
You like it, Chilla?
Well, like all the babies do. They like eat it and they think it tastes horrible, but they still go back for more.
Chili, want the stick? Hoopla.
Oh, she's going for that stick. Oh no, what?
She's going back for the lime.
Oh, she likes the lime. She's ditched the stick. Right, Chili. What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Are you going back for more? Alright. Oh, she's still eating it. Do you really like that? And you ditched it again? Oh, she's looking at the stick. She's wanting that stick. But she goes back for the line. Yeah. Alright. Eva, are you ready to say bye?
Bye.